Hello my friends and welcome back here to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you one of the best and new features for iOS 26. After the release of iOS 26, when we take a screenshot, now we are able to use the magnifier which is back into the screenshots. Now take the screenshot and then tap here. And after that, tap on this plus icon available here. And here we have add loop. Now it is maybe like renamed, okay, but it is called add loop. So when you tap on it, right, now the magnifier is back. Now tap and hold, and then you can change the size just like that. And then go around and zoom in wherever you want on the screenshot that you've taken. So yeah, maybe for some users, this was one of the features that they were waiting for because it wasn't available in iOS 18, which is the previous one, but now it is back and you can use it, okay, whenever you take a screenshot on your iPhone. So I hope you liked it and share with your friends and see you in the next one.